you make money. I will share with you what exactly indicators better to use to understand why price move. I will share with you also examples, many examples on the previous setups for you to understand when exactly each indicator to use. Also, I will show to you why technical analysis patterns worthless without clear understanding where volume would come. At this moment, my dear friend, I ask you to push like, write plus in the chat that you hear me well, that you see me well. Write plus into the chat that you hear me well, you see me well. And let me add a presentation to this masterclass. How to use indicators in trading to make money. Why I decided to do masterclass about this topic? Because many of you confuse because many, especially beginners, always look for some holy grail that will help you boost your trading and will solve all the problems. I saw many mistakes that people do with indicators, and today I would like to solve all those problems. And let me send into Discord that we had started. Good. Hello from India. Happy to see you here, my friend. At this moment, friends, before we started, from 1 to 10, share in the comments about audio and video quality. While you share your thoughts about audio video quality, what would be today's masterclass plan? For a start, I will what instruments do I trade and why? Because for patterns and indicators to work, you need to trade only good instruments. I will explain to you which one I trade and why. After that, my setups, because all these indicators we will use together with some setups. Indicators without understanding what you're looking for won't help you. And the exact indicators that I use, volume profile, levels, delta, open interest, volume, VWAPs. I will add at the end, there also would be quite a lot of trading examples. At the end, friends, I'll share with you my real trade examples for you to put all of that knowledge together. That's why, good, I see that. Good. Audio and video is great. Love from Norway. Good. Happy to see you here, my friend. Hello from India. Hello, very good. Tom, hello. Okay. Write threads once more plus into the chat that you are ready to start. We waited a few minutes for all our people, and at this moment I'm ready. Write plus that you are ready to start with me. Okay. First, the most important topic, it is what instrument to trade, especially if you are a crypto trader. I trade only top coins. What's the reason why I trade only top coins? Because only on top coins you have quite a lot of volumes that really difficult to manipulate. Example for you at this moment in front of your eyes. For example, Bitcoin 24-hour volume, 32 billions. It is top crypto exchanges. Ethereum, more than 20 billions worth of volume. It is difficult to manipulate. That's why in that cases, patterns with volume will work really well on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, on Solana, and other coins where volume really big. Because compared to some other coins, let me show to you even some example. Like at this moment, we have some coin where volume. Example for you, even this example, some coin like AR. Here, 24-hour volume, 71 million. It is so easy to manipulate with that coin. It's so easy to move it up and down, and price, it would be difficult to trade even with good volume indicators here with this coin. That's a reason why I prefer to analyze only top instruments such as Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, and many other top coins. Because indicators that I will show to you work on these coins way better compared to many other indicators, to many other altcoins. Write one into a chat if you understand the reason why I prefer to analyze only top coins by using volume indicators. Second part, when you use some indicators, you need to know what you're looking for, because if you don't know what pattern, what exact setup you're looking for, you won't be able to work with these indicators, because sometimes there could be big volume, but in the middle of nothing. That's the reason why you need a clear setups. Write plus at this moment into a chat if you have clear setups that you trade. I have two major setups. It is fake out and breakout. Example of fake out, like recent trades that we took with community on fake out. It was this trade that we took on Ethereum on previous week. I gave a signal exactly here, because major reason here was quite significant liquidation exactly into a bottom. I will show to you all that indicators all together. Let me open a trade and explain to you a trade that I took on Ethereum and exactly reasons behind that. Example for you of a fake out pattern. It was exactly this one. When we took long at 2,860 and price did this beautiful rise. Main reason, because within a few minutes, I will put together all these indicators and you will understand why we use them together. Okay. Friends, once more, most of you didn't reply. How many of you have clear patterns that you trade? Write plus into the chat if you have clear patterns. Write minus if you don't have. Hello from US. Hello, Jimmy. How are you today? Hello from India. How are you today, my friend? I'm good. Minus. And second setup that I use, it is a breakout from value. Okay, minus, minus, minus. So sad. It is really sad that, friends, you don't have clear setups, but after this masterclass, you'll understand quite a lot of part about this. Okay, second setup, it is a breakout, and within a few minutes, I will explain to you how all of this stuff we use together. Okay, let's dive into indicators that I use to find my setups. And after that, in the end, I will put all of this stuff together and will show to you quite a lot of examples. First, it is a volume profile. Volume profile. How many of you, friends, I will ask quite often a question to you that you would write plus minus to communicate with you. Please answer. How many of you know what's volume profile? Write plus if you used volume profile, and write minus if you didn't see a volume profile before. At this moment, in front of your eyes, volume profile. Why is this stuff so important for me? Because volume profile provides so much information to us, because it provides to us the biggest volume concentrated. Also, it provides to us biggest areas where volume traded. In the future, we will use it as a powerful support resistant areas. Beauty of volume profile, it shows you where exactly volume traded. And depends on the situation, we will use this as powerful support resistance zones, because you can see how price bounced from this borders quite well. And for breakout, we also will use volume profile as a powerful indicator that will provide to us clear entry. Why I highly once more recommend you to use volume profile, even this example. Let me show to you this example. Like 1 week before, nearly every day I write down in Notion my trading plans and beautiful situations that I would like to trade. Here, an example for you, how 1 week ago, it was exactly a plan that I shared in our community. Let me show to you this. Nearly on daily basis, I share trading plans with our community, what exactly I plan to trade. And here, example for you, how we used a volume profile on Ethereum as a powerful support resistance area. Example for you, let me show to you that beautiful volume profile. Have a look. It was 28th of June, where short in a case big volume spike at POC plus VWAP. Why I mentioned this key area to our community members? There was only one significant reason, because exactly price were in this downtrend and price reached this center of volume profile. It was exactly biggest volume area. Have a look, my friend. It was exactly this beautiful and biggest volume area. And what exactly Ethereum did after that? Just take a look. Beautiful test of volume profile, and after that, massive drop. In many cases, volume profile we will use as a powerful support and resistance. From 1 to 10 at this moment, share with me in the chat how this information is clear for you. Maybe you need additional help. Okay. Volume profile. After volume profile, we have another indicator that also really important for us. It is key levels. As I mentioned to you, we will cover the second part of this masterclass how to combine together all of these indicators. Okay, I see. The next one, it is levels. What's levels? Levels. Yes, please explain more. Levels, it is areas, really important areas where biggest volume will be traded, concentrated. Why we use level together with my team? Because levels, it is a place where quite a lot of people would hide their stop losses, take profits. Example for you, how I look for levels. First, it is quite significant areas from which price did significant bounce, reversal, etc. Example for you, like at this moment, have a look. At this moment, on Solana, pay attention how Solana did exactly this last pullback from this important level. Another example for you of a key level, it is on Ethereum. Have a look how Ethereum bounced from this significant area. How many of you can answer why we should pay attention to these key zones? How many of you? What's your thoughts? Why is this area so important for us? Support. What else? Friends, key support. No, not only. The most important question, why support appears there? That's really matter for us. Why significant support? Liquidity. Yes, that's the most important answer that I heard at this moment. It is liquidity, because in such areas there would be a lot of liquidity. Example for you on Ethereum, when Ethereum reached this key zone, what had happened at that time? Have a look how volume spiked quite a lot, exactly into a bottom. Volume, you can see here, increased from average approximately 2 billion per 4-hour candle to nearly 8 billions. That's a reason why this stuff is matter for us, because some people started buying a lot. That's why when some of you wrote about support, it is better to say it is area where a lot of market makers, retailers would like to enter a market. And that can create as a support and resistance. From 1 to 10, at this moment in the chat from 1 to 10, how much you agree with me about this part? Mm, 10, 10, 10. Good. That's why levels will be so important for us, because levels will provide us powerful areas where people can hide stop losses, take profits, where a lot of people would like to buy some coins. And once more, within a few minutes, I will show to you how levels works really well. The next one, it is delta. Delta, it is this indicator to show to us difference between buy and sell. In some areas, it shows to you clearly that someone got liquidated. Example for you, like Ethereum. Delta on this 1 hour time frame exactly into a bottom where more than 600 millions negative. How many of you know what this number means? Friends, it's super simple. When some people who bought Ethereum higher, to get out from this position, what they forced to do to cover their long position, what they forced to do? Here, Vikram. Close their position. Money liquidated. Yeah. That's, by the way, a reason why I gave a signal to our community on previous Friday about Ethereum. It was exactly Friday. Main reason why I gave a signal here, because I saw this significant liquidation, and it was obvious that after such liquidation, price would make significant rise. Such liquidations, money liquidated, often will be a clear reversal points, because if someone got liquidated into a bottom, often it would be exact bottom. That's why I love to see delta indicator. I love to use it. The next one, it is open interest. Open interest provide to us when people open and close trades. When open interest increase, it means some people enter a position. In some areas, it would be a signal that we have powerful people. In some cases, it would show to us liquidation. Like at this moment, we have negative delta and we have drop in open interest. That means quite a lot of people here exactly got liquidated. And often it would be exact reversals of a market. Sometimes open interest would be trapped. You need experience to understand what exactly will be with open interest. But statistically, when you have biggest delta spike, open interest, and volume spike, it would be exact reversal points. Big delta spike, open interest dropped, reversal point. Like often, it would be exactly there. Even this one. Big delta spike, open interest drop, and volume spike. And what price did? This rise. That's example for you why this stuff so important for us. Once more, I will show to you how to put all of the stuff together. I will show to you how to put all of the stuff together, my friend. The next one, it is a volume. Volume, it is super simple indicator. It shows to us where biggest volume simply traded. Why we use it? Even example on this screenshot, you can see is that every time when significant volume spiked, what price did? For example, price tapped after big volume spike. Here, price did local bottom after volume spike. Volume spike, pull back. Volume spike, drop. Like this time, volume, price broke from this volume. That's why volume, it would be super important for us because it will show a clear reversal. And the last one, it is a VWAP because VWAP will show to us a dynamic support and resistance. Okay, let's put all of this stuff together. Let's put all of this stuff together to understand how to use it. Friends, share with me at this moment how many of you saw all of these indicators and would like to see how to use them together. I will show to you, I will explain to you about this question. Okay, how do I execute a trade? First, you should understand before we use any indicators, you need to have a whole system. A whole system first, we build a plan. You build a plan only after understanding what you're looking for. You set alert only when you understand what you're looking for. We wait for setup, execute, analyze a trade. Before you build a plan, you need to know what exactly you're looking for. Let me show to you. Before you build a plan, you need to know exactly what you trade. I have two major setups. It is knife, liquidity hunt, and breakout from value. Let me show to you examples how we use it together. And let's analyze, let's analyze this trade that we took with our community on Friday and what was the reason behind this trade. First, I had a plan that I shared with our community that I would like to trade Ethereum. It was exactly here in a video update where I gave to our community two major plans where I would like to trade Ethereum. It was key zone for long, this one. I had that plan and I waited for clear setup. And what was the clear setup? Let me show to you. It was exactly here. That's example how we use all of this stuff together. Powerful key zone. Remember, we mentioned key zone. Here, we have first key zone. Price reached key zone. After that, what happened there? On a lower time frame, you can see massive volume spike, big drop in open interest when price reached that key zone. This stuff means someone big got liquidated. Because during 8 hours, here were traded approximately 16 billions worth of position. And that was exactly a moment when we took long position. Because at key area, I saw massive volume spike. I saw super big negative delta. I saw a big drop in open interest. And statistically, it is a good reversal point. And Ethereum bounced it first time, even yesterday bounced it second time. And at this moment, you can see that price bounced from this area quite a lot of time. That's example of a powerful plan. Let me cover additional examples before, my dear. I would like to invite you to join our community. Here, let me send to you a link into a chat. For those of you who are looking for personal help, and for those of you who would like to get signals from me with a clear stop losses, take profits, clear plans with explanation why price would move, trading plans on daily basis, you can join our community. Simple. I sent into a chat such form. Fill this form and speak with my team. They will send to you all the information about our community. Because I know that for a start, for you, it would be difficult to put all of this knowledge together. That's a reason why you need to know how to put them together. Let's come back. Why do you need a real phone number? For my team to speak with you. If you don't like to share phone number, you can open this one. As an alternative method, you can use Telegram. You can open here a bot and speak with my team from Telegram bot if you don't like to share your phone number. It is only for my people to be able to call with you. That's it. Let's come back to other examples to show you how to use these indicators together. Let's cover this beautiful Bitcoin example. That's example for you of another pattern. It is breakout from value. What was the reasons? What was the major reason why we took a long trade here? How many of you, friends, guess what was major reasons why we took long here on BTC? What's your thoughts? Share in the chat. Friends, share in the chat what was your thoughts. What's your thought why we took long here? Just take a guess. First, the most important, it is here was value by volume profile. Let me open for you a trading view to see exactly that area, because that will show to you how you put all of this knowledge together. You go to trading view. Let's open Bitcoin with you. It was exactly this very moment, And let's analyze together what was. Hello, my friend Bigger. Is there any requirements to join your learning program? Hello, my friend. We created different levels for our program. People from zero can start. Like we have 3 levels: 0, level 1, and advanced. That's why actually a person with different kind of knowledge can start. because there are some people that trade for a few years. They need only like practical examples. There are some people who don't know even how to call some indicators. That's why we create levels in that program. Better if you will fill that form or DM to our people, and they will show to you exactly what you can get. Example for you, what was the reason why we took a trade there? Because first, it was exactly here when we took the trade on BTC for long. First, pay attention. It was exactly high of this volume profile. Remember, I shared with you for a start that first, what we do when we trade, what we do for a start, we build a plan. To have a plan, once more, you need to know what you trade. And my second setup, it is breakout from value. It was exactly this one. But what's my secret? My secret that, as you can see here, I traded only with open interest increase. And here, what was the situation exactly there? Bitcoin create beautiful value and started, as you can see, rising with increase in open interest. And you can see that first time they hit high of a range, and often when they squeeze up above that value, they do breakout. And that was exactly a reason why we took this beautiful long trade. Honestly, I thought there would be additional pump, but when I saw that price failed to make significant breakout, I closed the trade exactly here. That's example for you how you use all of the stuff together. Because once more, open interest push price, they stopped, and on the second day they resumed. Often that's a good signal that rise would go on. It's a good signal for breakout from value. I know that for some of you it is difficult to hear all this knowledge together because, my friends, I put it for quite a lot of time. It took many months. And I know that many of you need the personal help to gather all of this knowledge together. You just need to repeat more and more, and you will understand it. With our students, what's advantage for those of you that will join our education? Because with our students, we exactly share our clear setups with clear entry/exit points. Also, we give access to a place where we share signals for you to understand how all of this setup works. Because I analyzed quite a lot of educational programs for many people, and what the biggest disadvantage of many other companies, they show to you a lot of instruments, but they don't show to you how exactly execute a trade. I think it is a bullshit. It's like you would attend boxing gym and people would tell you, just look, just watch and repeat. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to build your knowledge step by step. Let's go to some examples. This one, it is example of a trap traders. Quite often, for you to understand when there would be breakout or when there would be a fake breakout, you need to understand the difference. Here, we took this beautiful short on BTC. Guess what was the major reason here? Friends, your thoughts, what was the major reason here? Open interest decrease. No, exactly opposite, my friend. Open interest rapidly jumped into a high without no result, no volume spike, nothing. On Binance only 4.5 5,000 contracts someone entered on BTC at that price. If we calculate 5,578 by multiply 62,000, it was approximately 300 millions someone entered exactly into a high with no reaction. That's example of a trap. Plus, on additional exchanges, not only Binance, but on Bybit, altogether, it was approximately 400 millions. Exactly into a high, someone got trapped. And when some people that open long position and market maker absorb their trades, what happens? Price go exactly opposite to them to take their stop losses. And my target was exactly to take this low where most of the people would hide their stop losses. That's example for you why we use levels. Remember I shared with you levels. That's example for you why we use levels, because logic is super simple. At key levels, a lot of people would hide their stop losses, and often price would go there to take that liquidity. And after that, what I did, I shared a signal to our community to take a long trade. After that, when I saw that clear liquidation happened. And what happened exactly after that? It was, my friends, by the way, that moment, it was exactly here. It was exactly this moment. Some people bought too much into a high. Market maker went down, took their stop losses, and after that, continue rise. This really often happens before any significant start of a trend. Okay, let me show to you a few more examples. Sometimes examples won't be the best because I traded them poorly, but still, as an example, really good. It was another trade that I also shared as a signal to our community. It was exactly a trade that we took 18th of June. 18th of June. It was exactly here. It was exactly this trade. You can see 18th of June. When I saw beautiful pattern, I exactly shared the trade with clear, as you can see, clear stop loss, clear take profit, and reason explanation. After that, when price went into our direction, I replied to move stop losses to close part of position. You can see all updates I shared to our community. What was the reasons? What was the major reason why we took a trade there? Because you can see price took this significant key level, big volume spike, super negative delta, drop in open interest. Often it is a good signal that someone big got liquidated. You can see how they exactly grabbed liquidity from this level. And what they did after that, beautiful rise into this area. That's example for you, how you use key level, big volume spike, significant liquidation. All of this stuff happens together. Friends, at this moment, share with me your questions that you have about all of these indicators. Resistance level. Share with me at this moment what pattern you like better. is it breakout from value, or when there some significant stop loss hunt happens. And let me show to you maybe best example when this pattern work really so well. It would be the greatest example of all time when you will see how this pattern work. First, here we took short trade. We took this beautiful short trade. Guess what was the reason why we took short here? Major reason, because have a look. So huge open interest increased exactly here, and price started squeezing down. That's example for you how someone big got trapped and market went against them to liquidate their stop losses. Have a look. Open interest increased from 2.8 billions to 3.2. 500 million worth of positions were entered exactly here. And what price did? Massive drop until all that volume got liquidated. That's why we will analyze BTC. Let me summarize all of this stuff together. That's why what we do exactly with all of this instrument, let me explain to you really shortly. Let me summarize. First, we have everything, honestly, my friends, is super simple. We have two major patterns that we trade. First one, it is we trade fake out or liquidity hunt at key level. Price reach this level, some significant liquidation happens. We analyze it by volume, delta, open interest. If that happens, we take a trade into opposite direction. That stuff also can happen not only at level, but also by volume profile. When we have that biggest concentrated volume profile, price reached that area, big volume appeared, and we take a trade from that significant volume. That's the first pattern that we trade. And second pattern, it is when price builds some volume, we trade breakout from this value. Sometimes we trade breakout exactly as squeezing with rise of open interest. And sometimes they can do one more stop loss hunt, and we would look entry for a trade, for example, after stop loss hunt. That's it. Even example for you, our teammate Anastasia, she sent this trading plan yesterday to our community, where she explained where to take a trade. And that's example for you when she took a trade after significant stop loss hunt. What was exactly here? Her major plan was, you can see this beautiful volume profile. Price took low of volume profile. She took a trade and entry for rise. And have a look. Price took low of that volume profile, and after that, she took beautiful trade for rise. Honestly, most of these plans really simple. Okay, at this moment, share with me from 1 to 10 how the stuff that I shared with you was really clear. And tell me, would you like to use it by yourself? Mm-hmm. 9, thank you. Mm-hmm. At this moment, let me reply to some of your questions, and let me reply and analyze BTC now and give a plan right now. I share about BTC trading plans on daily basis for our community, and plans the same. BTC at this moment in the middle of this significant range. I shared the plan today, and I do it on daily basis to all our community members. First, I do the text version and sometimes video version. About video version, let me show to you exactly by this video. And I explained to all our people first what I told. About BTC, you can see that here I shared. Bitcoin at this moment broke significant value area. It is really huge volume profile. Often when price break such stuff, significant trend starts. At this moment, huge chance for BTC to hit 60K. That would be really important area from which it would be possible to consider short trade, because until price below 60K area, we are in a downtrend. That's why my plan that I shared to community is so simple. In the case of retest at 60K area, we would look for short. How it looks at this moment, let's open better on TradingView to analyze it together. Once more. At this moment, key resistance 60K area. We are in this downward trend, and we follow a trend until we proved otherwise. If price reaches this area here, we look for short. Only clear breakout above would be powerful support and powerful signal to take a long trade. How we can join your Discord trading plan channel? Simple, fill this form that I shared with you, and he fills that form, and my team will send to you all information. Is it possible, friend? We spend time, energy. Of course, it costs something for free. Man, I just shared with you a few minutes ago a clear trade with stop loss and take profit. Example for you, like this one, long on BTC. Price did break out from this local value by volume profile, reach volume profile first time, and after that started squeezing second time. Here we took a long entry. Or this trade on Friday that I took on Ethereum, price reached significant area, price reached key area, big liquidation had happened, we took a trade. I shared it with you. You didn't see it? Once more, what is your position size? Depends on the situation. My risk per position at this moment from 100 to 300 USD risk per trade. Position size depends on your stop loss size. Stop loss size, it's super easy. Stop loss size, it's super easy to calculate by using this stuff on TradingView. What you do when you take a trade, for example, you take a trade. You use this stuff on TradingView, long short position. Here you write down what would be your risk per trade, for example, 200 USD. After that, depends on the situation, you set up your stop loss, and this stuff shows to you how many coins you need to trade. That's it. What's your risk per position? What's your risk per position at this moment? My friend, once more, what I would like to tell you to make chances for your success way bigger. First, highly recommend you to trade bigger coins because when you trade coins with bigger volume, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, you have bigger chances because they respect open interest delta volume way bigger. Second, try to trade at key areas. Key areas we define by using chart and volume profile. When you will trade at key areas, amount of stop losses would be very lower. Because when sometimes you take trades in the middle of a range, with bigger chance you will get stop loss. And third, the most important, you need to have statistic service. Are you in a trade? I wait for a trade. I gave a plan to our community about Ethereum. I will take a trade on Ethereum if there would be some additional stop loss hunt, because at this moment on Ethereum, someone entered 100,000 contracts on this coin. In a case of stop loss hunt and again squeezing into high, I will take long and we will give a signal to our community. You need to trade only when there's a good opportunity. You don't trade only just because to take a trade. Friends, at this moment, let's do 2 additional questions and we will finish this masterclass. If price came to key level and accumulating without open interest, are you enter the trade? Yes, if there's a significant volume spike. What is the best time frame for scalping? 15 minutes, I think. 15 minutes time frame. Because when you use too small time frame, it is too bad, because there would be too much noise. Once more, friends, trade only powerful situations and you will be really happy. Write plus at this moment into a chat if you would like me to show you additional few examples of really powerful situations from this and previous week. Should I share additional examples of really beautiful situations? Man, for order flow trading, it is a bullshit, those RCI, MACD. It is a bullshit indicators because they don't provide you exactly where people take trades, set stop losses, etc. 5-minute time frame leverage, how much for 500? Man, tell me, why do you trade if you don't even know what leverage you need to use on your account? What are you looking for? How many accounts you blow out? How many accounts you blow out? Maybe it's time to stop. Which session do you like to trade? American and European. Honestly, session, it is not a big deal because session can be different. Because what I do, okay, let me show to you, friends, during past 10 days, really beautiful situations that it was possible to take a trade. And you will blow out additional few accounts until you understand that you need education. You need people that will help you and guide you. Without it, you will blow out additional 2, 3, or 5 accounts. What I do, what I recommend you to do on daily basis, additionally, it's like at this moment, I share with you my real secrets that really help me to understand market way better. First, I have a special trading playbook in Notion where I write down every day about beautiful situations that were possible to take. Maybe sometimes I didn't take it because I was out, because it was at my night time. Doesn't matter. I every day write it. Example for you, let me show to you this beautiful situations that had happened yesterday on Ethereum. Have a look. Why this situation was so beautiful on Ethereum? Ethereum yesterday retested this key area where massive volume traded exactly into a bottom, where super massive negative delta appeared. And what price did exactly during the test? What they did, again, beautiful volume spike, negative delta, and open interest drop. That means someone quite significant got liquidated here. And it was exactly a bottom. Sadly, this stuff was at 4 a.m. my time. I would definitely take a trade here. That's example for you. When you wait at key area, significant volume confirmation, and take a trade. And every day, I recommend you to write down such situations because sometimes they better. Example for you, like yesterday, some people again bought quite a lot of BTC and got trapped. Price went down to take their stop losses. Sometimes it's like on BNB. BNB reached key zone, took all stop losses of all people that were in a long position. Big volume spike. And after that, beautiful rise. On daily basis, I write down beautiful situations that played out so well and reasons behind them. Even this Ethereum, how Ethereum beautifully bounced from this POC, this VWAP, price continues this trend, and it was maybe the best area to consider short. And every day you write down reasons why that stuff happened. And that will help you understand market way better. Okay. Friends, I was so happy to see all of you here. Thank you for your attention. At this moment, I ask you to push like, subscribe. Remind to you that you can join our education program, plus community where we share clear signals, trading plan where you can take trades with us. And also we teach you how to analyze the market and take really beautiful trades. If you are tired because you're blowing out so many accounts, you don't know why price move, you don't know where to take trade with what volume, for you it is definitely you need to join. Below this video is a link, fill that form and join us. And see you in next videos. Bye, my friends.